Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your Snapchat cache data. So for that, what you have to do, just tap on your profile image. Then on the top right corner, you will see this setting here button. Just tap there. Okay, here scroll down. Okay, and in privacy controls, you will see clear data. Just tap there. Okay, here on the bottom of the screen, you will see clear cache. Tap there. Okay, just confirm. Okay, clearing cache. Okay, and done. Snapchat need to restart. Just restart Snapchat. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can clear Snapchat cache data. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.